Good afternoon. My name is Zaida Isabella Antolinez. I'm going to talk about volcanoes and some of their dangers and benefits. First of all, the word volcano comes from the Roman god Vulcan, the god of fire. The dangers of volcanoes are mainly that and destruction. Lava flows can destroy houses, lands, habitats, and buildings. Hot gas and ash mixtures can travel up to 150 kilometers per hour and kill anything. Too heavy volcanic ash can make it difficult for people to breathe, among other dangers. The benefits are eruptions volcanic too they may be beneficial for the farming. The ashes produced by eruptions volcanic often contain minerals and are how fertilizers nature. The sand produced by volcanic head is used to create electricity. Finally, volcanoes are great tourist attractions. For example, the Mount Vesubio in Italy. Thank you.